Right now, there is disorder in the house. And until that disorder has been solved, the house is unable to conduct further business. I'm talking about the sanctity, the dignity, the respectability of this house. To find, when we changed the standing orders, to allow cabinet secretaries and other people that could be invited to this house to deal with us in terms of statements, we did not give them the privilege to walk into this house. They must know they are strangers. Right now, they are strangers. And at best, they can only be witnesses, whom we summon from time to time in our own wisdom, and only to participate and say the things that we want them to say here. Yes. For a witness, even before appearing before us, to give us a lengthy lecture about hearsays and say that what we are doing here, we are purporting. We are purporting to do the things that we are doing here. We are purporting. And to allow this witness to write to the speaker, where is even the protocol of writing to the speakers of the houses? Once we have issued the summons, and the Constitution allows us that we can summon anybody, whether in plenary or in committee, to come before us. Now, how is it that a witness decides, therefore, with, raises upon a stool and decides to address the presiding officer of this house and lectures him accordingly? And visions and the culture that we should adopt when we deal with these matters.
You made your point.
Now, the last point I want to make, Mr. Speaker, sir. The last point I want to make, Mr. Speaker,